Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add weight to your Logitech G903 mice. So to do this, first let's take out the weight from the box. You should see this case, open it, and inside there's a weight. Now we can move on to the mouse. Here press on this circle so we can remove the cover. Inside we can place the weight. Like this. And then simply put back the case, and now we can move our mouse with increased weight. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.